How to change content on TikTok feed. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change content on TikTok feed. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we visit our TikTok app, please go and check if your TikTok is up to date through your respective app store for your phone. And if it is not updated, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app. So once you have made sure that your TikTok is up to date, just go ahead and open up TikTok. And first thing that we're going to do is to hint TikTok on which videos you're interested to or on which videos you're not interested from. So first you have to go to your home page right here or from your For You page. And for example, I don't want to see more videos like this. You just have to press and hold on a certain video and click on the not interested option right here, right below the report option, like that. So that will hint TikTok that I do not like to see content like that anymore. And for example, if I want to see a certain type of video more, I'm just gonna scroll through my For You page. For example, I want to see more videos like this, like about volleyball. So you just have to like that video and also also do actions to interact on it, like comment, save it as well, or share it, because this will actually hint TikTok that I am interested on this type of content. You can also go to the Friends tab right here and go to the search bar and search for a certain type of content you like. So for example, cat videos. So you can just scroll through here and like videos about cats. And this will also hint TikTok that you are interested in seeing cat videos on your For You page. So that is how you can basically change content on TikTok feed. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.